So what did you expect to get out of NSO?
I'm just hoping to make a lot more friends, kind of figure my way around the school. So I'm just hoping to find new faces and stuff and just find a lot of different kinds of people and like get to know them.
All right, so what are you most excited for about NSO?
Just to learn new stuff about COD, just to get an opportunity to understand what goes on around here.
What are you most excited for NSO?
I mean, I want to do the workshops. The workshop seems kind of cool.
I just want to come here, just meet new people, just build those new relationships, and just get to learn more about this new school and whatnot.
Kind of expecting to see some of the things that the school body might have, experiences, cool things like student activities, things like that.